So today I will be showing how to add vectors. Start off by showing an example of two vectors. This will be vector A, this will be vector B. And what we are trying to find is vector C, which runs along here. It should run along there. And first off, they'll give you the angles. So angle of A and angle C. We will find angle C later. So first thing you're going to need to know is how to find the components of A and B. You should know how to solve for them. So AY and AX and BY and BX. After you know how to solve for them and you found them, we will try to find the components of C. So CY, CX. To find them, we will add AY plus BY equals CY. And same thing for CX. AX plus BX equals CX. Those will be your components. Once you know that, we will draw a triangle. So this one will be vector C and the components, so CY and CX. We are trying to find right now C, vector C. To do that, we will use Pythagorean theorem. So it's CY squared plus CX squared equals C squared. And that equals to square root of CY squared plus CX squared equals C. That should give you vector C, and you will have added them. Now we'll show how to find the angle of C. So to find that, we will just use inverse of tangent. Since we have the adjacent one and opposite. So here we'll try tan 1, and it should equal CY divided by CX equals C. And that should be it. So here we have my example. Right here is the vector with the measurement of 10, and this one is a measurement of 7. And I've already found the components of each. This one's 9.74, this one's 2.24, this one's 2.39, BY and BX is 6.5. Here is the degrees of each vector, 77 and 20. So to add these up, you will first, like I said, get AY and BY and add them up to find hopefully the CY. So you get them, 9.74 plus 2.39 equals, plug that in your calculator, 12.13. So that's going to be CY. Then we do the same thing with BX and AX to find CX. So 2.24 plus 6.5 equals, plug that in your calculator, 8.74. So that's 8.74. With those numbers, you're going to find the vector with Pythagorean theorem. Since we have them right here, alright, we're just going to find C. So we're going to square this one plus equals C squared, which is square root of 9.74 squared plus 12.13 equals C. Alright, plug that in your calculator. It's gonna equal, this part is gonna equal 223.525. So final answer will be 14.95. That's gonna be the vector C, and we add A and B. And then to find the angle, we do the inverse of tangent, which is, so it's opposite over adjacent. Goes inverse of tan, plug that in. Get 54.23. So there you have it. Vector C will be 54.23 with a length of 14.95.